Goa has become the first state in the country which has completed the implementation of most of the silos of the IT project. One is the core banking solution, meaning all the post offices in Goa the customers can do banking transactions in any of these branches. The 4 ATMs have been installed in Goa, and to every customer who has an account in the post office, we are giving them RuPay debit cards. These RuPay debit cards can be used across ATMs.
पोस्टल सप्तका निमतान वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी जावपाच्यो आसात. 17-18 तारखेर मिनेझीस ब्रागांजा हॉलात स्टॅम्पाचे प्रदर्शन दवरला. पोस्टान भुरग्यां खातीर वेगवेगळ्यो सर्ती दवरल्यात.
Doing awareness workshops and contact programs with the school children and the public and the customers on different programs. We'll be taking it up during the National Postal Week.
The Irish Festival of Stamps will be held on 17th and 18th of October in Macinnes Palace. It is a joint initiative by Goa Postal Region and Irish Ministry.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सुभाष खुटवळकार.